Hello, this is Mark from Boosted CRM, and today I'm just going to walk you through a master service agreement document, auto population, and e-signature. So technically, if I want to show you the data flow, in the previous video, I showed you how the NDA was signed inside the account. And after the NDA is signed, we sign the MSA record. And it's very similar to what happened to the NDA. So let's jump to it. Here, I'm just going to go to the record and you can see the NDA is signed. As soon as the NDA is signed, it's ready to send a master service agreement to the vendor or to the partner who's going to work for this company. So this widget pops up, and as an action, I take request MSA, and the system will recognize me again as the requester. So all the communication will be done with me as the requester in the system. Now, the first step is to send this master service agreement, check the information, and send it to compliance to review. And when the compliance is comfortable with the master service agreement, and then we can send it to the contracts department to review and send it for signature. So let's start. Starting this is will trigger a widget. I can change the signer. I can create a new contact if I want to, who's going to be the signer, or I can just go ahead with the data that's already populated so I can check everything's right. And once I confirm everything's right, I will save this. And as soon as I save this, this information will be sent to compliance department. So whoever is in the compliance department, which is three people in compliance department, will get the MSA and will get this notification and the instruction to review and make sure it's right. So when we scroll down, we see the MSA section. You can review everything's correct here, and if you're comfortable, just can generate the MSA. As soon as this is clicked, Zoho Writer integration in the back will get triggered, and our document will be populated and attached to this document. We already signed the NDA, so this MSA as a draft has been created as a Word document. So all the information has been populated here. Master Service Agreement. Scroll down all the way, and it's waiting for the signatures to be sent. So I'm just going to close the document, go back to the record, and if I regenerate it, it's going to overwrite it and delete the old file. So the system has a task clearing and file creating coding in the backend that will always keep track of the latest files and will delete all the old unnecessary files, old tasks that are closed when we move to the next state of the blueprint. So I'm just going to send it to the contracts for review. Again, this is going to assign tasks to everybody who's in the contracts department, and whoever checks this and close one of these tasks, other tasks will be automatically closed. At this point in the contracts, as a contract agent, I just download this file, take a look at it, make sure everything's right, and I like it. If I want to make any changes, I can make it changes, and then I can save it. This is the only part that I need to take care of. Download it as a final and as a PDF. So here I will save it in local machine, and so I'm just gonna close this, go back to the record and upload this as the instruction says, contracts please review attached draft MSA and upload it. So I'm just gonna upload the final MSA by dragging or just clicking here. It's just gonna make sure the file name is correct. If not, it's gonna give you an error. If right, it's just gonna allow you to attach. Once attached, it's ready to be sent for signature. When sent for signature, first this contact will get email notification from integration in get backend with Zoho Sign, and that's it. It's gonna make sure that all the attachments are correct, nothing is missing, the names are right, and then send it. It's gonna clear all the tasks, clear all unnecessary documents, and exit the blueprint. The status of the MSA is approved by contract sent for signature. So I'm just gonna get this email to sign as the contact here. So I'm just going to quickly sign this in Zoho Sign, which how you see how efficient this could be and how fast things can be done within minutes. Everything can be done. Finish this signature. As soon as finish the signature, the state will be changed inside the account that says MSA status is signed, MSA received. Now the CEO of the company will get another email which is this, and he has to sign the MSA to finalize the signatures. So I'm just going to sign as the CEO, and that's it. The CEO signing it and finish. So this is the end of the process. MSA has been signed by all parties, and attached will be attached the final version to this record, and will also be sent to all parties through email. So you can see that there are two attachments, and the signed MSA is here. So let's take a quick look. Very clean, already populated using Zoho Writer, signed using Zoho Sign. All these integrations have been happening in the back. This has about like 6,000 lines of code for this automation uh, on top of Zoho, which is basically at this point. If I scroll down, you can see the MSA section, and you also can see the MSA KPIs showing how much time it took everybody to go through their processes and the time they spent on each and the date that it was signed. So at this point in the next video, I'm just going to show you how you can add a work order, because now that we signed the NDA and we signed the MSA, now we can assign work orders to the company who we are hiring to tell them what deliverables we need them to deliver to us through that work order. And that would be in the next video. Thank you for your time.